go. Okay. All right, Mr. Osborne, this is your second visit with us?
Third visit, actually.
Okay. And I know that you've been working with Dr. Peele because you suffer from severe dental anxiety.
Yeah.
And so can you describe for me how those sessions are going for you?
Well, the initial session was mainly a discussion of what was going on and how I felt, and I have a history of having dental anxiety issues, and I've had difficulties with dental procedures and dentists before. So she then the first session was mainly just discussion of who I am and how I got to where I am as far as my teeth and everything else. After the second session, she really started working with me with hypnosis and getting to the root causes of where my fears were really coming from. And I had a little bit of difficulty with that. It was trying to face those issues from my childhood, especially when I was really young and had a dentist that yelled at me and hit me and was just a scary old guy with a big stinky cigar. So, but helping me to release those fears because they're gone, they're not happening anymore, and coming into the dentist office, just everything, the odor, the noises, the masks, and this past session she gave me some direct tools, which I've gone through a couple of times now, about dealing with dental anxiety, and also about allowing my mind to anesthetize my body and tell it to not worry about that it hurts and not to hurt. So that's, I guess, in a nutshell, that's a lot of it. She was very supportive, very interested in how I felt, and also was very good at stepping up and saying, but that isn't an issue anymore. That's something you're holding on to that doesn't really change anything or help you now. So
Are you getting ready for dental treatment today?
well, today it's I guess more exploratory procedure to see how much of the teeth they can save. So it's not for me, it's not really the scary part, and actually it's a lot less. I was thinking about it this morning coming in here, and I didn't have the issues of, well, maybe I shouldn't go. I mean, those questions didn't even come up this morning, and usually I face those things. Maybe I shouldn't go. Maybe, am I sick? Am I feeling well enough to do this? And but I didn't have any of those questions. It's a certainty at this point.
So you are feeling much more relaxed and prepared?
Yeah, more prepared, and at this point I feel fairly relaxed. I mean, between the medication and just thinking about what she's told me, and I have my iPod with me, which has some of the subliminal tools that she had given me on the iPod. So I'm going to listen to those during, just have headphones on during the procedure and having that kind of pumping into my head. So I do feel better prepared definitely than I was the last couple of times I came in here, because it was all about worrying about what would go wrong or what would happen.
So you're finding it to be very helpful then?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And you've had 2 sessions?
I've had 3 sessions with Dr. Peele.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get ready for your dental procedure.
Okay then.